Hello guys, my name's AJ. Welcome to Kansas City Computer Enthusiasts. This is the first video in a whole handful of hopefully very informative, entertaining videos that will provide some educational insight and some kind of tips, how to, etc. on building computers. Today I'm going to start with kind of the very basic installing a CPU. What I have here is a Lenovo ThinkCentre where the CPU was giving me some temperature problems. I opened it up. The thermal paste was a very gummy, thick white paste that I was unfamiliar with, so I'm going to replace that today with some Arctic Silver, I believe is, no, actually I think I've got the MX4 is what I'll be using today to replace that, but I will show you how to go ahead and get that set down inside that socket. So, you know, follow along and we'll show you how it's done. One of the most important things to do is prep your surfaces. So I cleaned the CPU cooler as well as the top of the CPU over here with first the thermal paste remover and then the purifier. So I've got both of those surfaces prepped and ready. So you can either pretend that there's another CPU in here that you're upgrading from. Say you've got a Core 2 Duo in here and you want to go to the Quad, or you can, you know, say first time install. What you're going to want to do is pop your lever arm up, pull your protector, your cover here back. There is a triangle here. It might not always be located right here. As you can see, the four corners. This is the odd man out corner, odd person out corner. And line that up on the CPU with the corner here. So then what you're going to just do is very carefully drop that down in there. Just give it a little good to go. Slide this back down, making sure this is going to go underneath it here to lock in. Got a little resistance is fine. Push it down and click. Little resistance, like I said, is totally fine. It will give a little tension as you push down. If you start hearing cracking and popping, you probably are going to have a very bad day. But that is really the long and short of it, guys. I'll go ahead and do some of the thermal paste, and we'll show you how we get that on there. This is, like I said, the Arctic MX4. I still pretty much just go with a grain of rice, pea-sized. A lot of people these days are using the X. Come on, that was kind of sloppy. There you go. We got the thermal paste on there. So now what we'll do is we can install the CPU block back on there. And you'll want to tighten each four corner, kind of say start here, then move here, then move here, then here, and just gently work your way around, not tightening one corner down more than any other as you're moving through them. Interesting, one of my standoffs is broken. I wonder if that's why this is priced so cheap. I was told it was repasted, so the gentleman probably knew that. It's kind of disappointing that wasn't disclosed to me. We'll see if my temps get any better with this fix. So there we are. We'll just, like I said, screw it down. I found that peg was broken. That was a little disappointing, but you've seen how we install and paste a CPU. Thank you for tuning in. We are going to continue to work on these videos. We're continuing to bring more resources in. The production value will get better. We'll get some editing. You'll see some more of the members come in here. So we really appreciate you tuning in today, guys. Give us a like and a subscribe. Come back and see us again, all right?